core system libraries failing because of the Direct User Interface Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. While we cover the technical fix for Direct User Interface Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Direct User Interface Library. This library implements the Microsoft DirectUI framework, used to render high-performance XML-based user interfaces for the Windows Shell and modern system apps. It is a critical component of the Windows Start menu and Taskbar logic. Corruption leads to the Taskbar not clicking or Start menu not opening issues frequently reported after a botched update. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Direct User Interface Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Direct User Interface Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Most individual downloads of Direct User Interface Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Direct User Interface Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Direct User Interface Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.